Brooklyn brothers are back in Brooklyn visiting Mom. We're just walking through the old neighborhood. We have all different types of shops here. We have delis, pizza places, drugstores, just about anything you need, all in walking distance. Oh man, this right here in the corner is Saldo's Drug. This is where Dom and I used to hang out, right outside here in the street. Back then it was called Rabito's. And what do we have here? Lots of hipsters around now. They have a lot of these different type of vegan type restaurants and food stores around here. Oh, there goes the old Tony's Pizza. This has been around for, God, since I can remember. And probably back 50 years this place has been here. But this is one of our favorite pizza places to visit while we're here in Brooklyn. Carmine and Sons. They have all different types of pizzas and Italian food. It's just out of this world. We got a pizzaiolo over here. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Look at that pizza. Whoa. Nice. Oh, look at that beautiful pizza. Oh, calzone margarita. Oh, beautiful. We got a mushroom truffle oil pizza here. Beautiful.
We are here at our favorite pastry, Italian pastry shop, the Fortunato Brothers. Been around since 1976. And they got the best pastries and Italian cookies than anywhere in Brooklyn. If you ever come to Brooklyn, you need to definitely come to the Fortunato Brothers.
Definitely.
You'd love it.
Look at these cakes.
Oh, cheesecakes.
All right.
Oh, that chocolate ribbon cake.
Very nice. That's beautiful.
You can throw some extra pinoles in there too. I'll pay for them. I don't care. Doesn't make a difference.
And then in each box, you're going to get 15 of these.
Yes. Full pound plus.
Yeah.
These are good, Joe.
Yeah, I like those.
I'll get a couple of those for today.
All right. This is the Lady of Mount Carmel Feast.
Get right over here. Right here.
Right, we're here at the Our Lady of Mount Carmel Feast. We have all types of Italian goodies here. We got sausage and peppers. We got zeppelin, fried calzone, pizza, and just about any food you can imagine related to the Italian
Want a
beer.
sausage sandwich or what?
Wow, look at that. Work of art, fellas, work of art. Oh, Lou's Clam Bar. They've been here for decades. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. What are you getting? This feast has been going on for over 100 years right here in Brooklyn, the Williamsburg area. More sausage and peppers.
I want to get a sausage sandwich from... What's the matter, man? You don't want to back up? Oh my God!
Can't lift like this for a
Tornata a festeggiare tanto male, tanto con le mani ogni paesano, e da che lascia che bravo dove stare, venduti da stasera per regalo, e todo paese pronto non scusare, e sento mia adesso stavano un po', una bella Luciana, facevano ricordare, prima la testa te. See you what? Turn it up. Go. You know who this is for? For Superman, baby. Go! Get it over.
now.